What's up guys, in this video we're going to be looking at two different types of phones, flip phones and slab phones. Just before I start the video, I just need to say there won't be any cool lighting, sadly. Where did that light go? Oh wait, hold up. Boop. Whoa, what's going on? What happened to my light? Anyways, so this right here is one of my favorite phones. Let me just see, can I do it? No, I don't want. No, I don't want to dial that number. No. Let me see if I can call my mom. BRB. Wait, let me try again. Oh! Hey, mom. Oh. Yeah, all jokes aside, it doesn't work. Because it's locked to bell. As I think you can see over there. And yes, I got it for $40. No, it's not a C44. It's not an LG C44, okay? It's not. Whenever, okay, fine. Then tell me why whenever I go to about phone or phone information, as it says here, it says the model name is. Oh no, not device ID. Why does it say that the device's name is LG C441? Huh? Answer me that. Okay, anyways. So, let's just see how good this thing could take a picture of my cat. Barsick, come here. I need to take a picture of you for the fans. Why do you have your face shoved in there? Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful photo. I need to scroll all the way down. Oh, it randomizes it? No, that's annoying. Yeah, that's a photo of my cat. You want to see him? Okay, I'll show him. Why do you have your face showed in there? Hi. He doesn't want to be bothered. Okay, anyways. Back. Okay. Let's go back really quick. Yeah. Browser. Wait, what? Browser. Hold up. Browser. I want That's enough for one day. Okay, now a Note 20 Ultra. And yes, it's Samsung, because I'm a Samsung guy now. Not really. Anyways, I'm an Android guy now. So, yeah. If you're wondering what R means, it means retail model. If you've seen those phones from the stores. This is one of the ones that you can see at a store. So, yeah, it's pretty rare, but I got it for free. Wait, did I even get it for free? Wait, hold on. Yeah, so turns out I didn't get it for free. I paid $20. I paid $20. But still, it's a steal. Kind of. I actually paid $80 for it because I had to fix it. But anyways, so let's see this. Let's go to the Let's Play thing. Yeah, sir, Let's Play. Would you rather build a project or design my own? Design my own. We're gonna try to do the other one. What do you see, a donut or a circle? I see a donut. Wait, look at this. Anyways, can I bounce it? It's sort of in the middle. It's sort of in the middle. Anyways, which is important, the journey or the destination? What is it about, the journey or the destination? The journey. That is a cool animation. No. Okay, yeah. So next one. Less is more, or the more the merrier. The more the merrier. Wait. What if I tap? Oh, nothing. Inspiration comes from within. Believe it or not, but you are a magician. Okay, let's see. See the marker? Now you don't. Magic. Yeah, I doubt I'm a magician. But anyways, it says right here, that's pretty amazing. Thank you, Samsung. Now, as I said, we're going to be doing everything. We're going to be choosing the other ones I did so we can see the animation. Build a project. Oh, it rolls off. Cool. What do you see? A circle. Also, it turns into a circle. That's cool. The destination. So it's just a literal straight line. Still pretty cool. Less is more. So it got literally thrown. Okay. Inspiration comes from all around me. And it sinks in this time and all the balls go in. Okay, so. And that's okay. To the next phone. Oh no. On my laptop. So. Hold up. This is a gray Google Pixel 7 Pro. That's what I say. And I don't think that it shows up on camera, but this screen is literally in person crazy good. Let me just prove to you that the price is dropped. Google Pixel 7 Pro. Okay. Yeah, look, see? A Google Pixel 7 Pro 5G. 580 bucks. That's more storage than this thing has. I'm actually jealous. Look, see? $40. That's literally the same exact kind. 500 bucks. I got mine for basically free. Because it was a hand-me-down. Anyways, so this thing takes some really good photos. Let me prove it by showing you. By the way, you can customize this thing to your liking. That's what I really like about this thing. I'm gonna go take a picture of my cat and I'll show you guys. Barsick, come here. Why you keep shoving your face in? I want to take a picture of you. No. Barsick, look at me. Okay, good little cat. Good. It wasn't so bad. He keeps on shaking his head. I don't know why. See? Let me just zoom in. His little nose. See, that's what he's doing right now. Hold up. I'll take a photo of what he's doing. Okay, guys. And that's what he's doing. He has his face shoved literally in his little cat tree. He does that on a daily basis, okay? So, wait a minute. Okay. So I browsed the internet on this thing. I haven't browsed the internet on this thing because I can't connect it to internet. Because whenever I turn it off, here's the thing, look. Math. See, math thing. I turn it off. Back on. I leave the app. I go back in. Somehow it's still there. I turn it off and I'm just going to talk to you guys about something. And then I'm going to come back and yeah. So. I only need. Oh. Let's see really quick. Huh, so it's still there. Never mind, it only sometimes does that, but anyways. If you guys were wondering how I got this monitor and what the price was, hold on, let me just check. Oh no, my charger fell. Yeah, I can't find the price. It happened. Yep, no, it went bye-bye. What'd I tell you? But anyways, let me just see how much it cost. This monitor fully was $12. I got a thrift store. It works, but I don't really know. Because the only computer that I have, let me show you, that can connect to is this one. But it only works with HDMI. This one doesn't have HDMI, so that makes me angry. I mean, I can use my laptop. But these are all the main ports that it has. The only ports that it has is a USB PD, some weird Ethernet one, I mean. USB-C, HDMI, and USB ports. And this charging port that I have no clue what it's called. But yeah, that's everything that it has. And I don't know what kind of port this thing uses, but I'll try to make it work at some point in the future. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope that you guys, that you guys don't fall. I hope that you guys like this video. Okay, I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, if you can, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.